Kev just showed up with the party supplies. Wanna lend a hand with decorating?
Sure. How can I say no to streamers?
You said I should feel free.
Do you think we have enough crate paper?
Come again?
Crate paper. Do we have enough?
It's crepe paper with a P.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Sorry, folks, party's over.
Who the fuck are you?
Chet Drummond, Marshal General Counsel. The Saints are now a wholly owned subsidiary of Marshall Defense Industries.
No?
The employment agreement you signed when we hired you contained a non-compete clause.
I signed a lot of shit. I didn't actually read it.
Not our problem. By attacking Marshall interests, to wit, the Frontier Prison, our cargo train, and various other assets, you became a competitor.
So, what's your fucking point?
Pursuant to Article 9, Section 12, Paragraph 36A, you have surrendered all rights and ownership of the Saints to us.
Eli?
Oh my God, he's right.
Of course I'm right. I wrote the fine print myself.
You are aware that didn't solve the issue, right?
Yeah, but he was being a dick. Atticus thinks that we're gonna roll over while he takes what we built? Fuck that. I am declaring all-out war on that asshole.
Hell yeah! It's a revolution! I'll rally the troops. Tell everyone to meet us there.
You know Marshall won't fight this kind of war. They'll fight a war of red tape. You need to think this out.
I have thought it out. I'm gonna fucking kill Atticus.
Saw that coming.
But that won't solve our problem.
It'll solve my anger.
This is a binding legal document. You can't just shoot your way through it. Maybe we try using our words this time.
Fine. I'll call Atticus and tell him why I'm gonna fucking kill him.
A step in the right direction.
You have called Marshall Defense Industries. Please listen to the menu options as they have recently changed.
What do I press to speak to a person?
For customer service, press 1. For billing, press 2. For the complaints department, press 3.
Finally.
All of our operators are currently busy. To leave a callback number, press 1. To leave a message, press 2. To leave a death threat, press 3.
Fuck you. 3.
Sorry, that inbox is full. Goodbye.
See? Tried words, back to murder.
Murder can't solve everything.
You shut your mouth.
I'm just saying we'll need to use our heads to get out of this one. This is more complicated than our usual shit.
Look, let's just kill Atticus first, so everyone can calm down, and then you can think of a real solution.
Sounds like a win-win. You know, except for Atticus. But fuck him. Am I right?
Wow, you know you two are being enablers right now.
Looks like the gang's all here.
We're here. Let's bust in and make our way to the top floor. That's where Shithead's office is.
You give us our criminal empire back!
One more down.
You didn't get the memo. We own you.
Bring me Atticus!
I've had worse. Much worse.
Atticus, you son of a bitch! Come down here and fight me!
Much as I'd love to see Atticus fight his own battles for once, that is not his style.
Then we take the elevator straight to him. The Saints can't be owned, assholes!
Gotcha.
Bullets don't cut red tape.
I'll stay here with the crew and hold off any reinforcements.
Copy that. Stay safe. I don't know what to do to Atticus first. Punch him in the face or kneecap him.
You could just shoot him.
Nah, I want to draw this out. Make him feel it, you know?
Curb stomping?
Kind of a pain to haul him outside.
None of that will help our cause. You know that, right?
Then what will?
We could tie it up at court.
In court? We're criminals.
Not in Marshall's books. I'm sure they'll list us as a corporate acquisition. Play it right and we could drag this out for years.
We're not waiting years, okay? Except for in this fucking elevator. Seriously, what the fuck?
What happened? Why'd we stop?
Security lockdown. We're on foot from here.
Welcome to Marshall Defense Industries.
That's gonna beat the safety!
See? Won't take us years to get through it this way.
We're not actually getting through.
Welcome to Marshall Legal.
Shit, it's a trap!
There's snipers on the upper floor. I should snipe him back.
Watch your rear! You're going down! Reloading! It can't hide forever!
Fucking snipers.
First beat down.
Backing him!
You go on. I'll make sure no one follows you.
Hey, if you get any downtime, search the legal files for documents on the acquisition.
Welcome to Marshall Research and Development.
This ain't my drama.
Keycard required.
It's locked. Check the desks. Someone always leaves their key card at work.
Why can't I just shoot it?
That's not how it works. I told you, you can't just shoot your way through all your problems.
Fine.
Looks like this elevator's the only way up.
So let's go. No keycard here. Not seeing a keycard.
from Atticus Marshall.
So, did you really think you could just waltz into my building and take your little saints back? This assault is nothing more than a temper tantrum. You go ahead. Shoot whomever you like. I'll rehire. Destroy the whole fucking building. I'll rebuild. And it won't change a thing. I'll still own you, because I have more lawyers than you have bullets. In the end, I will win. I will always win.
Nothing here either.
You're done.
Reckoning isn't coming. Don't let him see you.
This guy has a key card.
See? I told you so.
You told me I'd find one in a desk. I had to murder this guy to get it.
I guess we're both right. Shall we go?
Welcome to the Marshall Executive Floor.
Intruders located. Putting them down.
Well, shit.
Your ivory tower is gonna fall. Now it's my turn. I'm coming for you, you old bastard.
Weapon sideways.
Smells like privilege in here.
Keep the pressure on.
Send in support.
You don't scare me.
Damn thing's overheating.
That pack he's wearing, it's powering the guns.
Oh, it's on.
Bring in the
There's no
reinforcements.
target. On cooldown.
Get behind them and shoot the pack.
Send in support.
Fucked up now.
Reloading.
Ready for Atticus's last stand?
You go on. I'll see if I can find anything useful in here.
Suit yourself. I'm coming, motherfucker. You son of a bitch. Wait, Myra Starr?
Didn't take you long to get up here. You are a plucky one.
Where's Atticus?
Oh, he turned tail and flew away the second you entered the lobby. I told him this whole Saints business would bite us in the ass, but he never listens.
Then give us back the Saints.
As chair of the board, I could. Only problem is Atticus holds that title. That man has been a bee in my bonnet for a long time. How about we help each other out?
Fine. Tell me where he is and I'll kill him.
Now, not so fast. You kill Atticus and his seat on the board will pass to his next of kin, who won't help you.
Well, then I'll kill them too.
And then their kin, and then theirs. The Marshall family is large and ornery. They'll never help you. But you help me vote him off the board, and I'll scratch your back real good.
So, how do we do that?
If you make Atticus look bad enough, our company's stock price will tank. Shareholders will panic, and the board will have no choice but to change leadership. That's when I'll take over and give the Saints back to you.
All right, you got yourself a deal.
Marshall is getting ready to host its annual expo. It'll be the perfect time to take Atticus down. Are you ready?
Past ready. I'll let you know when we're in position.
Good. I left you a thumb drive at a dead drop. You'll need the override codes on it.
Don't mind if I do. Got the thumb drive. Myra, it's me. The crew's all set.
Fantastic. Atticus will be unveiling Marshall's new AI-powered tank at our expo today. You're going to steal the tank and cause mayhem in the city.
And how does that get Atticus fired?
A public debacle like this will cause Marshall's stock value to plummet. Once the board loses enough money, they'll drop Atticus like a 2-ton turkey.
All right, team. We are go. What's your status?
I tailed Atticus to the expo. He's getting ready to give a press conference.
Good. I want his reaction on film. Who's next?
I'm at Hanging Clods. They're ready to help us hack into the Marshall tank.
Have him limber up those fingers then. Eli?
I'm on comms. I'm watching the market, and I've already shorted the stock.
I don't know what that means, but it sounds good. I'll go get the tank and start blowing shit up. I'm here.
You leave physical access to the tank, so do something you wish to lure it out.
Hey, assholes! Your security is shit. They could do something me-ish with that APC turret.
You're just asking for an ass whipping!
Drop your weapons. You have 30 seconds to comply.
They've deployed the tank.
Great. Now get in the cockpit.
What?
You need to put the thumb drive in the control port. And at this point, it's probably safer inside than out.
I'm in. Now what?
Insert Myra's thumb drive with the override codes and you'll be good to go.
What is happening?
That was easy.
Guess Marshall never thought one of their bigwigs would help to boost one of their tanks.
All right, now that everyone thinks you're Marshall's state-of-the-art AI tank, go forth and destroy.
Does it matter what I blow up?
Whatever can be blown up should be blown up. The more public, the better. There's a strip mall near you that would make a good target.
This is the best day ever. Out of the way!
There's a ton to destroy at the mall.
Got him.
You'll make a bigger impact at the mall.
Cathartic.
Keep doing what you're doing. The stock market is starting to take notice.
Alright. Found my new hobby. Like the 4th of July. Nina, what's Atticus doing? Is he sweating yet?
The press is starting to turn up the heat. Here, listen.
Our goal at Marshall is to remove human error when it comes to the public's safety.
Then how do you respond to reports of a rogue tank wreaking havoc in the city?
I say let a Marshall AI tank step in and stop it.
How do you respond to reports that the rogue tank is in fact a Marshall AI tank?
How dare you make false accusations? I'm gonna sue you, your paper, and your entire fucking family!
They're pulling him off stage. Oh, he looks pissed.
Nice.
Shit!
What is it?
The stock price is going up.
Why? I'm destroying their reputation.
Probably because the stock price is so low. Someone must be buying it up. Kev, get your hacker buddies to find out who it is.
Give us a sec. And it's Wes Paulson, owner of the Smelters football team.
Well, he's about to regret his decision. I'm gonna go blow the hell out of that fucking smelter statue. Well, you just poked the bear.
Take out the smelter statue.
Paulson's gonna regret buying that stock if you drop that statue.
That's for hijacking our stock scam.
Good. Paulson will back off now. Stock should go back down.
Uh-oh. Problem here. Shoot, can't move.
Looks like the drivetrain is overheating. We'll run a remote coolant flush, and you should be good to go.
Go? You guys want to hurry up?
Us, hurry up. It wouldn't have overheated if you weren't driving like a fucking rental. It's a simple fix. Hurry up.
Fuck. Now the guns aren't working.
Done. You're good to go.
Thank you. I'm going around to the front of the stadium to blow the shit out of this expo. That was unwise. Man, I really want to rub this in Atticus's face. Hank, Claude, patch the old fucker through.
Patching.
Atticus, my man, what's up?
What do you want? No, I don't have time for this.
Because of that Marshall tank busting up the city?
What do you know about that?
Oh, it's me.
What?
Yeah, we hacked your tank. It's been me the whole time.
You son of a bitch! When I get my hands on you...
You won't, because I'm in your tank.
Motherfuck!
We need a tank of our own!
I can go all day.
Reloading. Holy shit!
Oh my God, we're doing it. I just made so much fucking money shorting that stock.
You should buy something nice.
Buy something? No. We're reinvesting.
I trust you, Eli. Buy low, sell high.
You know what's low and guaranteed to go high when Myra Star takes over? Marshall stock.
Okay, as long as I get a cut.
That all you got?
My, you actually did it.
Myra, glad you like my work. How's about we finish our deal?
To the point. I like it. Come to my office and we'll sign the paperwork.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
You're just in time for the vote.
You think you can fire me? My family built this business. My name is on the goddamn building!
Our stock price is rock bottom, and our shareholders want your head.
It's the Saints! They exposed the frontier. They robbed my train. They ruined my good name!
We've done the risk assessment, and you are a liability.
Bullshit! This company's nothing without me!
The motion is to terminate Atticus Marshall and appoint me chair of the board. All in favor?
All opposed? You have a tie. Now what are you gonna do?
Let's ask the tiebreaker.
Atticus Marshall, you are fired.
Get your hands off me! You haven't heard the last of Atticus Marshall!
Yes, I'm sure we'll hear you hollering all the way down to the lobby. You held up your end of the deal. And now, so have I. The Saints are all yours.
Thanks. We made a good team.
Don't go mistaking us for friends. This was business. You interfere with Marshall again, and you'll get the horns.
Looks like Myra's star is as good as her word. We got the paperwork officially signing the Saints back over to us. Plus, it looks like she's pulling back on Marshall's military escalation. All those checkpoints on the west side have cleared out.
You think they'll come after us again?
Well, Myra's gonna have her hands full consolidating power for a while. She'll stay out of our way for the foreseeable future.
Ha! Marshall's down, the Idols are down, Los Panteros are down. Santo Eliso fucking belongs to the Saints.